Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about the types of majority. In this regard, we are going to discuss about quorum, absolute majority, simple majority, effective majority, and special majority. Under special majority, we are going to discuss about special majority of type 1, type 2, and type 3. First of all, what is quorum? Quorum means the minimum number of attendants in a house to sit and transact the business of house. मतलब कोई भी हाउस को चलने के लिए देर आर अ बेयर मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द अटेंडेंस. In Indian context, it is decided that 1/10 will be the quorum of the house. Hence, as we know, total strength of the house of Lok Sabha is 543. The quorum must be the 543 divided by 10, that comes 54.3. The number must be the next, that is 55. 55 is the quorum of the Lok Sabha. Similarly, you can derive for Rajya Sabha as well. What is absolute majority? Absolute majority means more than the half of the total strength of the house. As we know, Lok Sabha has a total strength of 543. The 543 divided by 2, that's come 271 and a half. The number must be the next, that is 272. The 272 is the absolute majority in Lok Sabha. As we know, to form a government, the party or parties, group of parties, that is alliance, need to be enjoy a absolute majority in Lok Sabha. What is hung parliament? Hung parliament means no party or a group of parties enjoy the majority in the Lok Sabha. Now, what is simple majority? Simple majority means half of the then the member present and the voting in the issue of the house. For example, as we know, total strength of the house is Lok Sabha is 543. Let us 300 member present only at that day. Then the simple majority requirement must be the 300 divided by 2, that comes 151. Then 150, the number must be the next, that is a 151 or more is a simple majority requirement. Here it is necessary to understand why it is also called a default majority. It is also called a default majority because whenever in our constitution there is no mention about the majority requirement, then the simple majority comes into the picture. Look at the article 352 clause 7. Look at the third line. If the house of a people passes a resolution of disapproving, here the majority requirement is not mentioned. Hence the simple majority comes into the picture. Now, where the simple majority is required? In a passage of an ordinary bill, money bill, finance bill, all through the simple majority. Vote of the confidence motion or no confidence motion, vote of the thanks to the presidential address, censure motion are through the simple majority. Speaker, election of the speaker, deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha and the deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha are also through the simple majority. Here you self study about the how the president or the chairman of the Rajya Sabha is elected. Now, approval given by the parliament for a continuance of the finance rule or emergency to any state is also through the simple majority. The disapproval of a continuance of the national emergency, that is, comes under Article 352 clause 7, which we noticed earlier, is also through the simple majority. What is effective majority? Effective majority means, to understand it, first of all understand the effective strength. Effective strength means the total strength minus vacancies. What is vacancies? Vacancies mean any seat is vacant either by resignation, suspension or death. Hence, the effective majority is the more than the half of the effective strength of the house. For better understanding, look at the Article 67 clause B. How the vice president may be removed from his office by resolution of a council of state passed by the majority of all then the members. Here, all then the members is point to be noted. Where the effective majority is required. Effective majority are required only at three places: removal of the vice president, and the speaker of the Lok Sabha and deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha are all removed through a effective majority. Now, understand the special majority. What is the special majority? Special majority have three types. We have earlier tell you about it. Now, effect special majority of type 1, type 2 and type 3. What is special majority of type 1? Here is only requirement is two-third member present and voting on the issue. And then the simple majority means if the Lok Sabha has a 543 members, if that day 510 members are present, then it ticked the two-third criteria. Two-third member present and voting on the issue. Now the majority requirement is 510 divided by 2 plus 1, that comes 256. Where the special majority type 1 comes? The special majority of type 1 when the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution in a national interest, the state list matter can Parliament make a law. Under Article 249, it is discussed about it. Here, the special majority of type 1 comes. The Article 312, where the All India Services is to create, is also the special majority of type 1 required. What is special majority of type 2? It is most famous under Article 368, that is Constitutional Amendment Bills. Here, the requirement is two-thirds members are present and voting plus absolute majority. As we know, the Lok Sabha has a 543 members. If that day 425 is present, then the two-third criteria is fulfilled. Now the majority requirement not 425 divided by 2, but it is the total strength of the house, that is 543 divided by 2, and next plus 1, that is 272. Where the special majority are required? If special majority are under the Space Constitutional Amendment Bill, as we have told earlier, and also the removal of the judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, the CAG, Controller and Auditor General, the Chief Election Commissioner and State Election Commissioner, all are removed through the space. For a passage of a resolution in a parliament for a continuance of national emergency is also through a special majority of type 2. For a passage of resolution under Article 169 of any state legislature authorizing a parliament to create or abolish its legislative council. Here the special majority of type 2 is passed by a state legislature and the parliament by a simple law. What? The special majority of type 3 is the toughest majority. Here it is a majority is requirement for removing like a king. King is removing through the Article 3, special majority of type 3. Here is not less than the two-thirds of the total strength of the house is required. It comes only into the picture when the president is removed. Under Article 62 clause A, special majority of type 3 comes into the picture. Thank you.